Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Ramadan Kareem to my Muslim brothers and my Muslim sisters. So guys, today's video I'll be teaching you how to make this bag strap. So please make sure you watch from beginning to the end for better understanding. So for the width of this, I make use of 1.5. So for this particular measurement I am taking right now, the measurement is 3 inches, while the other one is 0.5, not 1 inch. It is a 0.5 inch. So everything in total is 3.5 inches. So I'm just going to use my pen and just sketch it out, and after I sketch it out, I would cut it out. So guys, I'll be making a video of this bag soon, so please you just have to do 3 things for me. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click on the notification button, and also make sure you stay glued to this channel, because hey, I'll be dishing out hot tutorials soon. So please guys, subscribe to get access to all my videos. So I'm just going to sketch out, just use my pen to trace out the shape and trim it out. Then I'm just going to do it to the other parts of the other part of the strap, the end part. So I'm just going to do it the same way I'm doing it right now. So guys, please make sure you watch this tutorial from beginning to the end for a better understanding. It is a well detailed tutorial. It is a step-by-step tutorial. Don't miss any part. It is a step-by-step tutorial that you need to learn a lot from. So I'll be making a bag on this. I'll be making a tutorial on this bag soon, which I am doing already. So I'll be dropping the tutorial soon. It's going to be well detailed, and it is a very unique style, unique design. Please make sure you watch, make sure you get glued to this channel. So still working on the handle. So yeah, I'll if you can see from the illustration, it is 3.5. Where we have 3.5, the calculation of 3.5 is where you're going to stitch to the body of the bag. That aspect will be stitched to the body of the bag, and we have the rope at the middle of the strap. So guys, please watch this carefully. Watch every bit, every step of this tutorial. So the length is 13.7. After you take away your 3.5 left, your 3.5 right, you have 13.7, and the full length is 20.75 inches. So that is the full length of this strap. For this project, I'll be making use of foreign marker. This is a foreign marker here. So I'm just going to sketch only the parts that I will stitch to the body of my bag. I will sketch it out on the marker, and then glue it to the material, the leather. I'm making use of a fox leather. It is also called synthetic leather. So I'm just going to glue my marker to my leather. You have to wait for it to dry a little bit before you actually glue your marker to your leather. And after this, I'm just going to apply gum to the whole strap, and I'm going to leave some allowance, like 0.4, 0.5. Yeah, you can leave 0.4 or 0.5 allowance before you cut it out. So before then, I have to calculate where my rope will be. I don't know the name. I don't know if it is rope or a cord or wool, whatever, but I call it rope. Anyways, so I'm just going to I've applied gum, wait for it to dry, then just cut it out and I'm going to put my the rope at the middle of it. Guys, now what I'm doing is I'm trying to fold the side of it, trying to fold it to my marco, so the foreign marco that I used. So I'm just going to fold everything around just like that, and after that I'll put my rope at the center of it. Guys, now I'm just going to place my rope, and after I place my rope I would glue them together. But before then I have to cover up the place that will be stitched to the bag, to the body of the bag. I have to cover it up. I'm just going to cover it just like this and then trim the excess leather away. Guys, this is a very lovely method, easy method and lovely method. You don't have to stress it. All you just have to do is watch this tutorial and practice it, and you will get it. I mean, you will do it better than what I am doing it, right? So guys, this tutorial has almost come to an end, so please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification button for more updates. And also guys, please, if you find this video interesting, kindly give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. Thank you so much. I love you all. Mwah.